Hi children, welcome to my English class. Today we would learn how to write an email. Email writing. Email stands for electronic mail. It is the easiest and the cheapest way of communication. It is used in formal, semi-formal as well as an informal way of expression or writing. Emails are of three types: semi-formal email, formal email and informal email. Email writing format. First we'll go through the format. The email writing format is the same for each of the categories, though the choice of words and language differ depending upon the type of email. One can use friendly and casual language in informal emails. The language used in formal emails should be professional, clear and formal. The email writing format is: first we'll write from address, that is sender's email ID. 2 is recipient's email ID. CC stands for other individuals receiving the same mail with visible IDs, and BCC other individuals receiving the same mail with invisible IDs. Now subject is very important children. Title or the reason of writing mail, why you are writing this email. Salutation. Words like dear, respected, hi, etc. can be used in salutation. Main body. The main content of the email. Introduction, matter in detail, conclusion. So what is the content of the email writing here? Closing, ending statement. Attachments, attach files with emails like your documents, your biodata or something you are sending, we can attach in that and send to the email ID, the person who is going to receive that. So his email ID has to be mentioned there. Then signature line here, sender's name, signature and other details of contact. So these are the main points that we have to follow through the email writing. Let us discuss each type of email writing format. A sample of informal email writing format. An email written for any friends, family members or relatives comes under this category. Use of polite, friendly and casual words along with proper greetings and closings are some of the rules of the informal emails. We can understand this through this sample. Suppose you have to write an email to your friend inviting him or her to your birthday party. So firstly we have to write to, that is XYZ. If the name is given, you mention that. CC, BCC, the individual who is going to receive, whose email ID is visible, whose email ID is not visible, both can receive there. Then subject, invitation to a birthday party. Then hi, the name is mentioned in the question, you can mention. If it is not given, we can write here XYZ. Hope this mail finds you in the best of your time. I am very happy to invite you to my birthday party on whichever date you are going to invite. This is an example like November 3 at ABC Hotel. So you are mentioning the venue here from and even the time period. Which time? 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. It would be great if you come and join us at the party. We will have a great time and fun together. See you soon, LMN. So again I have told that you can write the name in the last if the name is mentioned there. Otherwise you can mention this XXX or LMN. A sample of semi-formal email writing format. An email written for any teammates or colleague is the semi-formal email. One can use friendly language but have to maintain the limit and the decency. The length, proper greetings and closing and clarity are some of the rules of the semi-formal emails. We can realize this through the above sample. Writing a letter to inform your classmates regarding intra-college quiz competition. The same will be followed to XYZ, CC or BCC. Subject, so for what you are going to write, that subject has to be mentioned, intra-college quiz competition. Hello everyone, this is to inform you guys that an intra-college quiz competition is going to be held in our college on November 25 from 11:30 a.m. in Hall 1. So here you are giving the information to everyone, so it should be semi-formal. Everyone is therefore asked to take part in the competition so that our department can win. For further queries, feel free to contact me. Thanks, LMN class representative. So we have to maintain the limit. It should not be informal, it should be semi-formal. So a sample of formal email writing format. An email written for business communication or professional use comes under this category. The email written for any government department, school authority, company, or any officers are the formal emails. Use of polite and formal words, the reason for writing mail, clarity, proper greeting, and closing are some of the rules of the formal email. Let's see its sample to understand it better. A mail for resignation. To whosoever you are writing, CC, BCC, subject, resignation letter. So here subject is the main, its main part is there. So by opening the mail only, they can see for what the person has written the email writing there. Dear sir, please accept this mail as a notice that I am leaving my position with this organization. As per the norm of the company, I have to give a month notice before resigning. I hope you will get a good replacement for me within this time period. I really appreciate the opportunities that I have been given to me to help me grow. Wish you and the company the best in the future. Please let me know what to expect as far as my final work schedule and the employee benefits. Please let me know in case of any assistance for the above. Kindly look into the matter. Thanks and regards. LMN Project Head. So, therefore children, a well-composed email provides the recipient with a friendly, clear, concise and actionable message. Learning how to write an email that meets all of these criteria can take practice, but it would be very useful for your future. I trust that you all have understood this session. We'll meet you in my next class with a new topic. Thank you.